For millennia, this tiny seed has produced an oil that has been used to treat a multitude of illnesses from hair loss and cognitive function to toothache and skin conditions. It has been found in ancient Egyptian tombs and Hebrew references. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings upon him, said, "It has a remedy for every illness except death." So you get the picture. Black seed oil packs a huge punch for such a tiny seed. This is a comprehensive guide to this ancient remedy, a natural remedy with a rich history and a plethora of health benefits. If you're curious about this potent elixir and want to harness its potential for your well-being, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring the benefits, uses, and safety considerations of black seed oil, backed by the latest scientific research. Black seed oil, also known as black cumin seed oil or Nigella sativa oil, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, valued it for its medicinal properties and dubbed it the seed of blessing. Today, modern science is uncovering the secrets behind its remarkable healing potential. Black seed oil is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin C, minerals such as calcium, potassium, and iron, essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, and antioxidants such as thymoquinone and nigellone. At the heart of black seed oil's potency lies its unique composition. Filled with essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds, it serves as a natural powerhouse for promoting health and well-being. Thymoquinone, the primary active component of black seed oil, has been extensively studied for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Research has shown that black seed oil possesses antimicrobial properties, making it effective against a wide range of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes it a valuable ally in supporting immune function and fighting off infections. Moreover, black seed oil has been shown to have cardiovascular benefits, such as reducing cholesterol levels, improving blood pressure, and enhancing heart health. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions like arthritis, asthma, and skin disorders. Additionally, black seed oil has been studied for its potential in managing diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar levels, and protecting pancreatic beta cells. This makes it a promising adjunct therapy for individuals with diabetes looking to optimize their health. Overall, black seed oil stands as a testament to the power of nature's remedies. With its rich history, potent bioactive compounds, and extensive scientific research backing its benefits, it has earned its reputation as a versatile and effective natural remedy for a wide range of health concerns. Whether taken internally or used topically, black seed oil offers a holistic approach to wellness that aligns with our body's innate healing mechanisms. Black seed oil boasts a plethora of health benefits that span across various bodily systems. Let's explore some of the key advantages. 1. Immune support. Research indicates that black seed oil can modulate the immune response, enhancing the body's defense mechanisms against infections and diseases. Studies have shown that its active component, thymoquinone, exhibits potent antimicrobial and immunomodulatory effects, making it effective against a wide range of pathogens. By bolstering immune function, black seed oil helps the body fend off illnesses and maintain overall health. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation lies at the root of many diseases, including arthritis, asthma, and cardiovascular disorders. Black seed oil contains compounds like thymoquinone and thymohydroquinone that exhibit strong anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help mitigate inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, thereby alleviating symptoms and promoting tissue repair. 3. Heart health. Numerous studies suggest that black seed oil may support cardiovascular health by improving lipid profiles, reducing blood pressure, and preventing arterial plaque formation. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that supplementation with black seed oil significantly decreased total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels while increasing HDL cholesterol levels in individuals with dyslipidemia. 4. Antioxidant activity. Oxidative stress contributes to the development of chronic diseases and accelerates the aging process. Black seed oil contains potent antioxidants such as thymoquinone and nigellone, which scavenge free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage. Studies have demonstrated that black seed oil supplementation enhances antioxidant status and reduces markers of oxidative stress in various experimental models. 5. Diabetes management. Black seed oil shows promise in managing diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity, regulating blood sugar levels, and protecting pancreatic beta cells from damage. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Endocrinological Investigation found that supplementation with black seed oil significantly decreased fasting blood glucose levels and HbA1c levels in patients with type 2 diabetes compared to placebo. 6. Respiratory health. Asthma and allergies are common respiratory conditions characterized by inflammation and airway hyperresponsiveness. Black seed oil exhibits bronchodilator and anti-inflammatory effects, making it beneficial for individuals with respiratory disorders. The study published in the Journal of Asthma investigated the effects of black seed oil on asthma symptoms and found that supplementation improved pulmonary function and reduced the frequency of asthma attacks. 7. Skincare. Black seed oil is renowned for its skin-nourishing properties, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products. Its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and moisturizing effects make it effective for treating various dermatological conditions, including acne, eczema, psoriasis, and fungal infections. Clinical trials have demonstrated the efficacy of topical black seed oil formulations in improving skin hydration, reducing inflammation, and promoting wound healing. 8. Cognitive function. Preliminary research suggests that black seed oil may support cognitive function and brain health. Thymoquinone, the active compound in black seed oil, exhibits neuroprotective effects and may help mitigate cognitive decline associated with aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Animal studies have shown that supplementation with black seed oil improves memory, learning, and cognitive performance. These are just a few of the many benefits that black seed oil offers. As ongoing research continues to unravel its therapeutic potential, it's clear that black seed oil holds immense promise as a natural remedy for enhancing health and well-being. Whether used internally or topically, incorporating black seed oil into your wellness routine can provide multifaceted support for a healthier, happier life. While black seed oil offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions associated with its use. Here's what you need to know. 1. Gastrointestinal disturbances. Some individuals may experience mild gastrointestinal side effects, such as nausea, stomach upset, or diarrhea, especially when taking black seed oil in high doses or on an empty stomach. To minimize these effects, it's advisable to start with a small dose and gradually increase it while taking the oil with food. 2. Allergic reactions. Allergies to black seed oil are rare but possible. If you have known allergies to plants in the Ranunculaceae family, such as ragweed or daisy, you may be at an increased risk of developing an allergic reaction to black seed oil. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, swelling, rash, or difficulty breathing. Discontinue use and seek medical attention if you experience any adverse reactions. 3. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. While there is limited research on the safety of black seed oil during pregnancy and breastfeeding, it's best to err on the side of caution. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult with their healthcare provider before using black seed oil to ensure it's safe for them and their baby. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Individuals with diabetes or hyperglycemia should use caution when taking black seed oil, as it may lower blood sugar levels. Monitor your blood sugar closely and adjust your medication or insulin dosage as needed under the guidance of a healthcare professional. 5. Blood pressure regulation. Black seed oil may have a hypertensive effect, meaning it can lower blood pressure. If you have low blood pressure or are taking medications to regulate your blood pressure, consult with your doctor before using black seed oil to avoid potential interactions or complications. 6. Drug interactions. Black seed oil may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, anti-diabetic drugs, and immunosuppressants. If you're taking any medications, especially on a regular basis, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating black seed oil into your regimen to prevent potential interactions or adverse effects. 7. Skin sensitivity. While black seed oil is generally safe for topical use, some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions. Perform a patch test before applying black seed oil to a larger area of the skin, and discontinue use if you experience any adverse reactions, such as redness, itching, or burning. 8. Quality and purity. When purchasing black seed oil, ensure that you're getting a high-quality, pure product from a reputable source. Look for cold-pressed organic black seed oil that's free from additives, preservatives, and contaminants to ensure its safety and efficacy. By being aware of these potential side effects and taking necessary precautions, you can safely incorporate black seed oil into your wellness routine and harness its myriad benefits for improved health and well-being. As always, it's essential to listen to your body. Start with a low dose and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or pre-existing medical conditions. Now that we've explored the numerous benefits of black seed oil and discussed potential side effects, let's delve into practical ways to incorporate this powerful remedy into your daily routine. Here are some simple yet effective methods. 1. Internal use. Dosage. Start with a small dosage, typically ranging from half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon per day, and gradually increase as tolerated. Mixing. You can mix black seed oil with honey, yogurt, or smoothies to mask its taste and make it more palatable. Timing. Take black seed oil in the morning or evening depending on your preference and desired effects. Some individuals find it beneficial to take it before meals to aid digestion, while others prefer taking it before bedtime for improved sleep quality. 2. Topical application. Skincare. Apply black seed oil directly to the skin to address various skin issues, including acne, eczema, psoriasis, and dryness. Massage a small amount onto the affected areas and leave it on overnight for best results. Hair care. Incorporate black seed oil into your hair care routine by massaging it into the scalp to promote hair growth, strengthen follicles, and soothe dry scalp. You can also use it as a pre-shampoo treatment, or add a few drops to your conditioner for added moisture and shine. 3. Oil pulling. Oral health. Practice oil pulling with black seed oil to improve oral hygiene, whiten teeth, and freshen breath. Swish 1 tablespoon of black seed oil in your mouth for 15-20 minutes before spitting it out. Follow up with regular brushing and flossing for optimal dental care. 4. Cooking and culinary uses. Culinary ingredient. Incorporate black seed oil into your cooking and food preparation to enhance flavor and nutrition. Use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or add it to soups, stews, and sauces for an extra boost of health benefits. The seeds can also be used as salad toppings, bread toppings, or a snack to munch on. 5. Supplementation. Capsules. If you find the taste of black seed oil unpleasant or prefer a more convenient option, you can opt for black seed oil capsules or soft gels available in supplement form. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label for best results, or mix with a little honey to make things more palatable. 6. Combination therapies. Synergistic effects. Consider combining black seed oil with other natural remedies or therapies to enhance its efficacy and address specific health concerns. For example, you can mix black seed oil with honey, ginger, or turmeric for added immune support and anti-inflammatory benefits. 7. Consultation with healthcare provider. Personalized approach. Before starting any new health regimen or supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and guidance. Incorporating black seed oil into your daily routine can offer a multitude of health benefits and support overall well-being. Whether you choose to take it internally, use it topically, or incorporate it into your cooking, black seed oil has the potential to enhance your health and vitality naturally. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you, and enjoy the transformative power of this ancient remedy. In conclusion, black seed oil is a natural remedy with extraordinary potential to enhance your health and well-being. Whether you're seeking relief from inflammation, joint pain, or looking to boost your energy levels and improve sleep quality, black seed oil offers a holistic solution rooted in centuries of traditional use and backed by modern scientific research. Should you decide to incorporate black seed oil to your lifestyle, remember to listen to your body, start with small doses, and be patient. With consistent use and mindful integration into your lifestyle, black seed oil can be a valuable ally in your quest for optimal health and vitality. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and embrace the power of nature's remedies.